In this model in this video I'm going to discuss this model. Fine. So in this model actually we have taken the fixed time model. This time is fixed. Fine. So now order level model with uniform rate of demand q to be fulfilled in constant time t, infinite rate of production and having shortages which are to be fulfilled. Infinite production rate means जैसे आपने ऑर्डर किया तुरंत आपको मिल भी जाएगा, ठीक. But shortages which are to be fulfilled. The inventory problems, now there is a note point, the inventory problems involving z, small z. What is z? The level of the inventory in the beginning are known as the order level problems. So here this is the order level problem, order level model. Fine. तो जहाँ जो है हमें the inventory problem involving z, the level of the inventory in the beginning are known, अगर ये हमें पता हो पहले से ही, so these are known as order level models. क्या क्या assumptions हैं? Demand rate is uniform, production rate is instantaneous, lead time is 0, C1 is the holding cost, C2 is the shortage cost, C3 is the setup cost, shortages are allowed and backlog, and Q is the total demand per production run of the fill time, fixed time interval T. So this is the assumption. Now understand the model. So here initially we have only Z items, however demand is Q items. So obviously we are having a shortage of item Q minus Z, क्योंकि हमारे पास अवेलेबल सिर्फ Z अमाउंट है जबकि Q की टोटल डिमांड है, तो Q minus Z की शॉर्टेज आएगी. So this is the Q minus Z, the shortages. Shortages are shown in the negative y axis. Negative y axis is shown the shortages. Fine. So here total amount is Z available and rate is R. So from with R rates your stock will decreases slowly and after T1 time we are having 0. But total demand is Q. So that's why demand increases but you are not able to fulfill the demands. And after this Q minus Z level जब इतनी पहुंच जाएंगी, you will give the order and you immediately you will receive the order of Q amount. You fulfill all your demands Q minus Z, तब आपके पास Q amount फिर बच जाएगा. So Q minus Z amount आपके पास बच जाएगा, Z amount, and then again you have to distribute all these. Again आपके पास क्योंकि shortages आएंगी, so this is again Q minus Z and so on. This is the diagram. Fine. I think you understand it. Here Z varies from 0 to Q. ये जो है Z, ये it's a variable quantity. His Q is fixed. जो आपका डिमांड है वो फिक्स्ड है, डिटर्मिनिस्टिक है, दैट इज फिक्स्ड. So now Z is the variable quantity. Fine. So in this model, this is the diagram. So here red part shows the shortages and the blue part shows the stock is available. Fine. So now in this model, so let's see the figure, red area, that means DBC, represents the failure to meet the demand, and the blue area OAB shows the inventory. Now since Q is the lot size sufficient to meet the demand for time T but less than Q amount to be stock is planned to order to meet the demand, so what is the time? So this time, total fixed time of production is divided into two parts, one where we are having stock and the second part where we are having shortages. So this time is T1. What is T1 according to this? Is obviously Z. R T1 is equal to Z. R into T1 is Z. So from here you can find out your T1. T1 is Z by R. Fine. Similarly, shortage area, this shortage T, this in total in time is T. This is T1. So obviously this part from B to D will be T minus T1. Fine. This is nothing but R into T minus T1 is Q minus Z. Rate into time is equal to Q minus Z. So from here you can find out your T1. So this is shortage of amount Q minus Z will arise from the entire remaining period T minus T1. But T1 we have already calculated. So this is T minus T1 means T minus Z by R. So the holding cost कितना हुआ? Holding cost हुआ आपका ये. This is the holding cost OAB. Shortage cost will be applied in this part BDC. This is the area of shortages. So here the holding cost is C1 into area OAB. C1 into area OAB. C1 into what is the area OAB? OAB half of Z half of Z into T1. But T1 is Z by R. So just substitute it here. So C1 by 2 C1 Z square by R. Fine. The shortage cost per production run is C2 into red area. This area BDC. Here is R. Here is Q minus Z. Here is T minus. So half of T minus Tn into Q minus Z. So this is half of Q minus Z into T minus T1. T1 is Z by R. Z by R. So substitute it here. So we are getting this term. Setup cost is per production run is C3. So total cost is equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. So this is the total cost. Average cost is just divide by T. So this is the average cost. So finally we get this, and here CZ will be this after division. Here Q is not a variable because Q is fixed. Demand is fixed. Only variable quantity is the stock level Z. So DC by DZ will be Z for minimum cost. सब तो इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, इसको करेंगे, ये जीरो हो जाएगा. So ultimately Z star will be this C2RT. This is the optimum level of the stock. C2RT by divided by C1 plus C2. So this is Z star. Fine. Now substitute it value here, again differentiate this second time and substitute Z star. So you will get that positive quantity. So that's the minimum cost. C minimum will be, just put Z star in this equation. So we get the minimum cost. So this is the model. Fine. Thank you.